Hello and welcome to my channel. I think I found the ultimate form of loungewear, and this is it. No, this is not just a hoodie, it is a hoodie dress. It's long, flowy, cozy, has a hood and of course pockets. So without further ado, let's grab a pattern and get sewing. The pattern is available on my website for free. Follow the link in the description or go to dressdeveloper.de. Pattern kits, knit princessline dress, and here I won't change much actually. I'll leave the default values in most cases. Here I select the hood, and the length of the hood, I think 65 centimeters will be enough. And I want pockets. So all I need to do is to select a size, add seam allowance, and then I can create the pattern. Here you go. Ready for printing. So here are all my pattern pieces laid out on 3.5 meters of cotton sweat fabric. The back and the front inner panels are cut on the fold. Here is an additional pocket piece. I need 4 of them. There's the other one. Here's the sleeve. And here is the hood, and I will line this hood, so I have folded the on-ground facing back and mirrored the hood, so I can fold it together and have an inner and an outer shell. Alright, let's cut all of this.
I strengthen the holes in the hood with some fusible interfacing. For that I mark the position by pushing a hole in it. Then I can put a little scrap of interfacing on the place and press it with my iron. Then I add buttonholes. You can of course add some metal grommets if you want. The 2 hood pieces then get sewn together along the curved edge. I am using my serger for all the construction seams in this dress, but if you don't have one, you can use a zigzag stitch or something similar in replacement. The hood then gets turned inside out and folded in half. Then I can sew the channel for the cord. Then I join the side panels to the front and back piece. I join up the top, bottom, waist and notches. And no, it should not be necessary to stretch anything. I find the center of each length, pin it, and then divide the rest evenly. After the panels have been sewn, I have a full front and a full back piece. Then I pin the pockets on one hand width below the waist. The pockets get stitched in place without cutting anything off for seam allowance. Then the shoulder seams get pinned and sewn. The hood gets inserted in the neck hole, right sides facing each other. The notches in the hood meets the shoulder seams, and the front is overlapped by a little bit. Everything is pinned in place and sewn all around. I set in the sleeves while the side seams are still open. I pin the top of the sleeve to the shoulder seam, join the ends and the notches, and pin everything evenly around. No, there should not be a reason to stretch anything. I somehow don't have footage of the actual sewing, but I think you can imagine. I'm using the serger and sew all along. Then I sew the shoulder seam, all the way down from the wrist, around the pockets, to the hem. Not much left to do. I fold the hem of the sleeves and the skirt up for 2 cm and stitch it down with a zigzag stitch. Then I add a safety pin to my cord and thread it through the channel in the hood. The cord is cut to length and I'm done. And there you have it. I think it's safe to say that this will be a favorite in my winter's wardrobe. Swooshy and cozy at the same time. What is your favorite type of loungewear? Let me know in the comments. I'm seeing you in my next video. Bye!